news overseas. Israel is bracing for further Hezbollah attacks. This following multiple strikes in northern Israel on Saturday. More from the CNN.
Israel has seized the historic Beaufort Castle, which sits on a ridge in southern Lebanon as the Israeli military pushes and advances deeper into southern Lebanon. Beaufort Castle, built some 900 years ago, sits on a strategic ridge near the city of Nabatea. It was part of a broader Israeli operation to seize that ridge. It is from that ridge and from those positions that the Israeli military says Hezbollah had its own sites there and used it to launch rocket attacks and other attacks against Israeli forces and against northern Lebanon. That castle, which is a UNESCO protected site, is part of this territory that Israel has seized as it expands its footprint and its seizure of territory in southern Lebanon. We saw several days ago Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu say the military would deepen its actions there, and now we're very much seeing those efforts take place as Israel has carried out strikes not only in cities like Tyre and Nabatea, which is outside of the Israeli occupied zone, but also in the Bekaa Valley, and there was a strike in Beirut as well. That was the first one in several weeks.
We take another break. Sports is next.